Let's talk about the market in this video. We have the SPY, we have the QQQ, what levels to watch. We have the current plays that we are in. So as you guys know, I'm in IWM, we had Snow, and then we had Target. Okay, these are the plays and the shares plays that we are in. We might have alerted on Twitter, and then we had many YouTube videos on it, but I always enter in and I alerted on my Twitter. So if you guys go to Twitter, you guys can see the buy and sell alerts, especially for shares. So I want to talk about shares because IWM is rolling, and pretty much again we're just chilling on this play and letting it roll to 212. I want to go over in this video very laid back, chill play. We have Target, we have Snow, and especially with a lot of these shares plays, you don't have to worry about options, theta, and especially every single day when I'm holding a option overnight, I just can't sleep. It's just harder to sleep. So with shares, it's a very laid back, chill play, and we will be going a lot over in this video. So subscribe with notifications on. We are trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Follow me on Twitter and go to SundayStockTalk.com. We had the Netflix play that was our options day trade idea on our newsletter, and it popped really nicely. So go to SundayStockTalk.com to get these amazing setups right into your email every single week for completely free. So let's get started in this video. We're taking a look at the S&P 500. As we discussed on the newsletter and the weekly watch list, our area was 448 and 459. So this was our level of zone. And as we guys, saw this week, look at how we respected this level of 448. Okay, it was a respectable level. We bounced one time, two times, we were close, and now we are going for the 460 level. Okay, we are going for the 460 level. So we are bullish right now, and this is our price target for the SPY. Okay, we are bullish to 460. So pretty much same thing, trading sideways right here. And then again, the same thing after that. If we do break out this week, and then we have our next zone. Okay, now we have our next zone. So now we have to draw a new zone, which is going to be our all-time high zone. Okay, so this is going to be our next zone if we do break out, but this is a major level of resistance. Okay, so this is going to be a nice area to scalp puts on, or if you're trading futures, you guys can kind of short around this area, but this is going to be our next zone after we defeat this zone. So I hope you guys have been watching a lot of our previous videos, because again, it's really the same thing. We trade sideways, we consolidate, we break out, we retest, and then we enter a new zone. Like literally every single time, it's the same thing that is happening in the markets. Okay, we trade sideways, we break out, we consolidate, and boom. So that is really cool, and that is really it with the SPY. Next, we have the QQQ, and really same thing. We have 389, which is our level of resistance. We need that is our price target. That is going to be a nice short area. And then we have our next zone. But pretty much the whole market is going for all-time highs. Okay, we are going for all-time highs. This is it. Okay, we are going for all-time highs, and we are back. Now let's talk about IWM and the current plays that I am in for shares. So these are all shares play that I have alerted on Twitter and we have made previous videos on. So the first is IWM. Again, we played shares, we entered in shares, and we are just chilling. Okay, we just have to wait and do nothing else. There's really no other pressure on this play, especially we are taking a look at the weekly time frame we broke off. It looks amazing. 212 is going to be our price target. So pretty much I'm just holding my shares, and right when it hits 212, that is when I am getting out of this play. Okay, so that is what we're watching for IWM. Again, it's pretty much you guys can still enter in, but again, we have warned several times on our YouTube channel and on Twitter about this play. Okay, this was a shares play, so it looks good, and we are just chilling on that. And again, it looks really just like the Ford play. let's talk about Snow. Really same thing, okay? Both of these plays had the same setup, okay? Amazing. Snow looks amazing on the weekly time frame, especially if we can close like this. Snow is going to look incredibly insane for our swing play. So again, this is one of another plays where we entered in, okay, and I alerted it on Snow. Okay, buy two open Snow shares 182.30, and I got 10 shares. So we are up pretty nicely on Snow, and 205 is going to be our price target. So very laid back, chill play. Hope you guys are enjoying plays like this, just shares play, nothing too crazy. Okay, next we have Target. So this one is a very interesting one because it hasn't even started running yet. Okay, it is still consolidating. We made a whole video on Target, so make sure to check that out. So we made a month ago now, so we're in this play for a month now, and we're pretty much just trading sideways, but really Target, the technical analysis looks incredible, especially on the daily time frame. The thing about this play is it hasn't even like ran yet, so there's still a lot more room to go for Target. And one thing that I've discussed a lot before is the volume, okay, with Target. This was our main confirmation, which was the volume. So we have a lot of volume at these levels, and this is the accumulation phase for Target. So people are buying in shares, we're just trading sideways. This is a time to accumulate for long term, and the stop loss is going to be below this level of support on the weekly time frame. So we went over a lot on Target, but really the play looks again just like the same. Okay, kind of also reminds me of Disney, but Target looks very nice on this level of support. We're consolidating. I like the chart a lot here. We're just consolidating, but again, this is going to be another one of those laid back, chill shares play on Target. So that is what we are taking a look at. Now I quickly want to talk about Microsoft and just the overall market. So we have Microsoft hitting a record high after revealing its AI subscription. So pretty much we're all hitting all-time highs. Okay, we had Apple first hitting all-time highs. So the blue chip stocks are hitting all-time highs first. So Google, Microsoft, Apple, all of those. A lot of these top big dogs are hitting all-time highs first. Okay, QQQ hitting all-time highs. So we have Disney, which is obviously lagging behind. We have stocks like Target, IWM. So a lot of these plays that are now starting to break out, that are catching up to the all-time high level. So that is what we're watching and looking to profit off of. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very simple video. We went over a lot in this video, but basic, very simple levels. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with the notifications on. We're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers. Follow me on Twitter so you guys can see charts directly in your feed and live buy and sell alerts right at open and all of that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later tomorrow.